Hey folks, ever wonder how the grub we chow down on every day gets to our plates? Well, back in 1809, a dude named Nicholas Appert figured out this cool way to seal food in bottles and keep it fresh for the French army. That was a game changer, allowing us to stock up on soups, fruits, and dairy. Boom. Another huge move in the food game. Over time, more kitchen gadgets joined the party, making the food industry what it is today. So, what's your favorite food tech? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. We hope you're having a blast on our channel. Got a burning topic in mind that you're dying to see? Well, spill the beans, and we'll definitely give it some serious thought. And hey, if you're vibing with our content, why not hit that subscribe button and ring the bell? That way, you won't miss out on any of the cool stuff coming your way. Stay tuned, and let's keep this party going. The Mira 300 VAS BS stands out as a slicer equipped with features such as an anodized aluminum construction and substantial cutting capacity. It showcases a ventilated motor, durable blades, and a compact design, facilitating effortless cleaning and maintenance. Notably, this slicer incorporates a built-in sharpener, precise thickness gauge, and a carriage release device to enhance efficiency. Following the slicing process, these precision slices can be seamlessly placed into the W8 top, a user-friendly and efficient vacuum sealing machine. Level up your nougat game with MIA Food Tech. These cookers, ranging from 10 kilograms to a massive 120 kilograms, are your ticket to effortless nougat dough perfection. With automatic mixing, cooking, and unloading options using gas, steam, or electric heating, MIA Food Tech has thought of everything. Their semi-automatic machines ensure that nougat dough is flawlessly rolled or pressed onto molds or tables, ready for the diverse cutters to craft bars, pieces, cakes, and sweets with precision and speed. MIA Food Tech even integrates traditional and ultrasonic cutting systems into their production line machinery, guaranteeing top-tier results. From 100 kilograms per hour to a whopping 500 kilograms per hour, these automatic lines are your shortcut to nougat-making excellence. The RJ500 Chop Addy making machine is crafted for the hospitality industry, catering to restaurants and hotels with its ability to produce 700 to 1,000 chop patties per hour. This electrically operated machine offers adjustable chop addy thickness, ranging from 1 mm to 5 mm, ensuring flexibility in culinary preferences. Its fully automatic design, structured as a conveyor-type system tailored for efficient and commercial use. The onion peeling line is engineered to handle 1,008 kilograms per hour, efficiently removing 90% or more of onion skin, irrespective of the onion size. It is meticulously designed to provide uninterrupted and trouble-free operation, guaranteeing both high capacity and minimal product loss. At Petrohalid, the artistry of crafting ice cream cones involves meticulous filling techniques, ensuring a delightful treat with every bite. The company employs cutting-edge equipment to maintain consistent quality and create an appealing presentation. Likewise, the production of ice cream on sticks at Petrohalid involves precise molding and freezing techniques. From stick insertion to packaging, the entire process seamlessly combines automation with a keen attention to detail, ensuring the creation of high-quality ice cream treats. Minipan's Omatic 600, positioned as an entry-level shaping machine, provides unparalleled versatility and flexibility for crafting bread snacks. With optional enhancements, it facilitates the creation of virtually unlimited shapes and dimensions for various products. Tailored for creative bakers, this machine seamlessly integrates with a range of bakery automation systems, ensuring a streamlined production process. Explore Mine's cutting-edge Physic Cut-Up Line M3.0, tailored to handle an impressive 7,500 birds per hour. Emphasizing a practical design for improved hygiene, this line goes beyond by offering enhanced module design, allowing easier access during calibration. This not only boosts uptime but also enhances overall efficiency. The Physic Cut-Up line is configurable to meet diverse product specifications, adapting seamlessly to various needs regarding type, quantity, and quality. Revolutionize your poultry processing with Mine's advanced technology, where efficiency meets adaptability for unparalleled productivity. Embark on a journey with us as we delve into the automated wonton production process, highlighting precision and a commitment to stringent hygiene standards. Witness firsthand how it seamlessly manages every step, from dough preparation to filling, folding, and shaping wontons. Immerse yourself in the innovation that enables rapid, uniform, and safe manufacturing at CP Group's automated production line. From the meticulous dough preparation to the final packaging stage, observe the entire process dedicated to delivering flavorful wontons suitable for soups or appetizers. The Cabbage Shredder ZR100 seamlessly blends innovative design with durable materials, meeting the demanding requirements of the food industry. This efficient machine effortlessly manages extensive cabbage preparation for a variety of culinary applications. Featuring specialized stainless steel blades, it can efficiently shred cabbage, handling up to 100 kilograms per hour with ease. Introducing a versatile 2-in-1 machine designed for cutting potatoes and bananas into strips of diverse shapes and sizes. This machine is an ideal choice for chip factories, hotels, and food corners, crafted with quality materials to ensure durability. The specially designed cutting plates contribute to the efficient slicing of potatoes into strips, making it a valuable tool for chip production. The tuna manufacturing process commences with the prompt delivery of catch from fishing vessels, ensuring immediate transfer to cold storage. The tuna is then organized based on size, followed by a uniform